Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Johnny with Johnny's BMW DIYs. Got all kinds of great new content coming out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see when I post new videos in your inbox. Hopefully this keeps you out of the mechanic shop and keeps your wallet fat. Let's get into this. Hey, this is Johnny with Johnny's BMW DIYs. I've got a charging malfunction on my 2009 E90 BMW 335i. I'm going to change out my voltage regulator. I'm going to show you how to do that. I've taken off this cover. It goes on with T20. These little long bolts right there. Kind of a coarse thread because they screw into plastic. Alright, and I've put my new voltage regulator back on, but you can see there's 1, 2, 3 T20s. I'm going to show you what the voltage regulator looks like off the car. Just like this. Those brushes are kind of worn down. I'm assuming this is my problem because I replaced my battery because everything seemed to be just fine. I did have an aftermarket, not a good OE Bosch one in there. This is the original that I had in there a few years ago and replaced with that, and didn't last very long. I put another Bosch in there, and just to show you on this old alternator here, it's gonna fins up. The brushes have to go in there up against the wheel in the center, the contact, and you just put it in there, simple as that. And if one of your brushes gets stuck, you just kind of push it down in there. It's got it, and then put your 3 volts in, put your cap back on, reattach your battery. Of course, dismount your negative battery cable before you do anything on this, but you can do it in the car, and that's what I'm doing. I'm not taking out the alternator. I've done it before. Take out your air cleaner. I have cold air intake. Either way, get that out of the way, and you can get right to it. It's not difficult at all. Should take only about 20 minutes. Do not use an impact tool. I made that mistake, and I stripped one of them out and had to use an easy out on it. I will never do that again. I'm going to be very gentle putting them in because they don't need to be that tight, and they're not the highest quality screws going in there. But that should do it. I'm sure my voltage is just fluctuating enough. This car, they freak out when they get a little bit low on voltage, and I think this is going to fix my problem. It's the same symptoms I had last time. Easy fix. I bought the voltage regulator on Amazon. I'm going to give you that part number off the back of this Bosch because this is the one I recommend. Not endorsed by Bosch or anything. It's just what came on the OEM part. So look for that part number there, and you should be good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day. As usual, thanks very much for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Really appreciate your support. Definitely look in the description for links to the tools and products that I used, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great one.